Accurately position the clamp to ensure a close fit with the color steel tile. Then tighten the bolts to secure the clamp kit. Align the track groove with the clamping block on the fixture, then tighten the bolts to secure the track. Install track connectors to integrate all tracks into a single unit. Install the side pressure block kit. Accurately position it and secure the end solar panel. Install the middle pressure block kit to secure the middle solar panels. Choose So Easy for professional, efficient, and reliable photovoltaic mounting solutions. Contact us now.